community nero ngotakiria twaro monto yo mokore kana nero gwateri ogi ye community ka ukwana ne community ya kwana. Now to me supremacy ikuche kuika level gete unless the president na Raila bakwana rabara yaba, there's a problem ahead. Problem we go chaida all along. Osoro has suffered while defending
the government,
Ruto and his government. Simba ero beire kando kabisa tabanga kuna siku tutakaa na William tuongea William to remember if you can go back na baba na clip akumo dismissing oyo taisa ini kwa president. Lakini circumstances kiamo sugumire ujatira okole gasini president in public because I have now explained there's no county that are into in isolation without support from the national government. Now they kira say asoire maria and there is fear as at the moment Raila ngotega dual sana kubwa ibe na kina Musalia Mudavadi akina hata Kindiki to some extent because is to some extent is like a co-partner in leadership of this country na president. Now esingenjo Raila moire abachumbe bali stabilize the parliament and through parliament Ruto nyolera sakwa yanera bona akasine ku pressurize abachumbe baye ba ODM n'ikigabana cyaye kikolega sin serikali. At the same time ejebona yagete bali barenge serikali basabe bagareta rutaro bisi ya batarenge nera kinapoko nabande bono bachakire kubeka maeda akagotegera rubono bali batamwakiride kurana neyo bogere bintu bikorero asada agiru tukikora. You see now Osoro ne team ya na baba chavet na abandi bachakire gufiringa that's my interpretation into asavire and we are the ones who made you president. How do you start again entertaining Akina Simba and the rest at the expense of us? Ikatolenda matanga sobo muske ongwae na nitemire lwe kuma dai poro maka se mada and na sarakasi ria aba ya mesia matanga renga matwerero amaya bantu bajita bankuruchise mu chance. Now Osoro kama nakukwana ida governor toto konye utubange ekero kwa rengo obisi ya ekero kwa gutena se nabo monta ko range governor achira ko gutare town mali na monta ko firinga governor kolreki wetire indirectly is meaning he means urioro ntramo firinga na kolreki then he ended up asking governor to isaransi to bange igote wetire nde one rivalry achakira. And remember, Arati State House, he said in phenomenal meaning, Adionsi abantu bakwana. Tega rege ngo kwana. So are you getting now where that is coming from?